Apple guys, did you know what? I'm here to tell you more about iPhones. We have 3 types of iPhone. Kuna refurbs, non-active iPhones, and active iPhones. What do you mean? For instance, a refurb phone kahi. Hii phone iliwahi tumika, ikarudishwa kwa factory, ikarepackageiwa na ikarudishwa kwa market. So refurb means ni phone yenye you are not the first user and we don't offer warranties on our refurb phones. Active phones inamaanisha hiyo phone iliwekwa SIM card ikakuwa activated ama ikaconnectwa kwa wifi. That's why we say the phone is active, but si ati simu imetumika na mtu yote. Ni SIM card tu iliwekwa ikatolewa. The phone is still as good as new. Thirdly, non-active phones. Non-active ni phone yenye haijaiwekwa SIM card, haijai-connectiwa na wifi, and it means you are the first user of this phone. So it's as good as new. Among the 3 phones, kuna refurb, active, and non-active. Next time you do a shopping with us on www.PHONEPLACEKENYA.com, you have a choice: refurb, non-active, or active. See you in the next shop.